new volleyball codes. New volleyball codes. We get a bunch of free lucky spins, some free yen. Don't miss out on any future codes. Subscribe. So far, we got a lot of lucky spins. Hopefully we can actually get one of these godlies. Can I actually get one of these godlies? These are lucky spins. How am I getting rares? Hello? Oh my god. These lucky spins don't even work. Yokai. Alright. Let's go to the shop. Open up your shop. Don't forget to like the video. Sub up for future codes. We have all the codes right here. Redeem the first one. 1 million. Ronaldo. Completely redeem every single one of these codes to get all the rewards. If you miss any of these codes, you will probably not get all the rewards that you can get inside of volleyball. 1 million. Million. 1 million. You can tell that everything is capitalized right here. 1 million. The next code is going to be match make. Match making underscore. Please underscore work. Match making. Please work. That is the next code. If you have 0 Robux, if you have no Robux on your Roblox account, comment heart emoji. Comment heart emoji if you have no Robux on your Roblox account. Update underscore 27. Update underscore 27. That is the next code. Redeem all the codes. Follow up. Subscribe. 4. The next update. They will release update 28 code. This code will be redeemable this Saturday or Friday. I forgot. Probably Saturday. Most game updates happen Saturday. Redeem all the code, sub up. Comment heart emoji if you know Robux, and watch the next video.